One more.
I hate that kind of shit.
Oh my god.
Over. You got it.
I hate when they do that. Everybody like fucking gets over. It's just like a fucking moving roadblock.
All right, guys, we out here.
Which way?
In the LA area.
Right.
We're mobbing a truck right now.
Jesus.
All that V8 power.
On the river.
We got some stuffs in the back. We got tires, and we got engine stand. So
I hate Camrys.
wow, we are moving.
We're only going 65. I know, and they're doing like 40.
But we're picking up a little engine today.
No, we're not. It's an old engine.
Shut your fucking mouth.
You will believe this. We're getting a VR6. No.
Why am I bleeping it if they're finding out in this video?
Zoom in on his forehead then.
I gotta zoom in.
You don't really have to zoom into it. You just gotta point the camera towards it.
We're rolling deep. We got this whole truck filled.
7.5 miles we have to
And
go.
it's gonna be a fun day. My phone just went fine. Look at this shit.
Yeah,
Betrayed
iPhone
me.
gang.
Betrayed me. That's fucked up.
Fuck you.
Fucked up.
I can't believe you switched.
Sorry, I wanted my phone to last more than 6 months this time.
Oh my. Alright guys, we're in LA and unfortunately we're pretty close to the dude's house, so
Get through this as fast as possible.
What's up?
That's alright.
It's probably stolen.
Yeah. Yard sale. Oh my god.
Holy shit!
Let's go to the yard sale.
see that
They look like some... Hey, it's cactuses. Hey, you want
hey,
the cactus?
you know what? I'm happy to see some cactuses.
Look at
out
that
here.
modern art. What is this fucking light?
I don't know. It's an LA light. They're all there's a lot like that.
Oh, have fun with the unprotected left, Jake.
Oh, this is... Oh.
No, this one looks like it's protected and
this isn't
unprotected.
protected.
Yeah, but
It's both.
Alright, I'm gonna have to literally do this and back up.
it's clean, but you just gotta take those stickers off. Oh my goodness. Hey, watch out for your rear windshield, dog. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, the back. I think the Corrados are right here, from what I've seen on his Craigslist post.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's nice as fuck.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, he's got nice.
See, he's the nice house on the block.
That Z4M is
Is that
smash.
a real deal, man?
Alright, so
Well,
we're gonna go pick up this engine.
So
We'll keep
are
you
all
guys
worried.
updated. Alright, a little bit behind the scenes. You can see here we just got loaded in. Stands in there on its side, is a little bit of a bitch, but Brandon took the axles too. Alright guys, we're fucking back. Now we have to try to figure out how we're gonna get everything down. Had to stuff this in sideways to make everything fit, but we were originally bringing this tire for the engine to sit in the tire, I can imagine.
Yeah, because we thought it was a lot smaller.
Yeah, and now we just use it as a buffer zone so it doesn't fly back, but it worked. So you hyped or what? VR6 time? Not just VR6. Should we save it? Should we save it?
Yeah.
I mean, should we tell them? Because we already got it. I mean,
The tire.
Perhaps.
you want to tell them? You want to tell them?
Tell him what?
Tell them what else?
It's gonna be twin charged.
Twin charge. Super and turbo. Nah, I'm getting a fat turbo, son.
Turbo VR6.
VRT.
Gonna be sick. I'm gonna put the camera down so that way we can get this out.
You do need to lift it up to get the pins in. The base of it.
This side needs to be lowered.
This side.
Oh.
A little bit of a closer look here.
Basically got a front flip today, dude.
It's pretty gunky, but Brand's gonna rebuild it and obviously clean it up.
GDM.
Right? Where's the other?
Approximate time when this thing was left running.
He said something about it, but I don't know.
Jojo, yeah, man. It ran.
Hey!
What you doing, dude?
I got a new toy.
What's that?
You know, just a VR6.
Oh, dude.
$400 for everything right there.
How much mileage?
I don't know. That's why it was $400.
Really?
Okay.
Where?
Okay. All right, lift it. He's super cool. He's the guy that I was like going out to the Corrado, and he's like, I like the wheels on your Corrado, and I was like, you know what a Corrado is? Got all excited.
Oh, it's starting to pull under the car.
Oh, there it is.
No, because it's gonna just keep going.
Brandon,
Huh?
that's the engine cover?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I was getting worried.
Now I have to lock this back out.
You know, the wiring harness is pretty damn clean.
Yeah, except it just
It's gonna, like,
coolant for about 2.5 hours.
It comes.
That's
Marinating
fine.
in greatness.
Starting to go into the bump.
Oh, is it? It's too far forward. You know, right there.
You're gonna do some brake pads, huh?
Fuck, this is sketch. This man beyond thick, dude. Fuck. I try to restrain myself from saying it every video.
It looks like when Patrick Starr. Mount the
A bit more.
stand. Do you have that?
There we go.
You good?
Yeah, it's off.
Okay.
Did you give that stand back?
I sold it. I need to buy another one.
Shit. Jump the gun a little bit.
When opportunity comes around, Jake,
I can raise it up more
you take it.
instead of you.
Go. Keep going.
Put it down.
You're good.
Alright, Robert. That is a bad
Holy shit.
Alright, let's lower it down so it's less dangerous.
Yeah.
Because it's got a lot of energy.
Alright, so you can tell here all of
Have
what
it
Brandon
rest-
pulled
have
out.
It rest on the frame of the lift again.
This thing still has oil in it.
It does?
Yeah, we checked. It's like full.
Are we gonna...
No, because when I put it down, I'm just going to sit on the ground. To begin. Okay.
Oh, you're getting a new one anyway.
Yeah.
Where are we putting it?
We're going to leave it in the center of the garage. Wow.
You're just gonna look at it tonight.
I'm just gonna, yeah, like an art piece. There is a Vr6 in my garage right now.
There's now Vr6 in here.
This was an adventure. I'd like to thank all my friends.
Eurobeat intensified.
Mission accomplished.
Accomplished.
A little bit of the coolant aftermath right here. Ooh. Looks like it splattered a little bit. And then come in here. Boom, ECU. Came with it. What a steal. 400 bucks for everything.
If this wasn't in the way,
Pretty good
lay
deal.
it down like.
Here is your ECU, good sir.
Thank you.
And that's how you know it's go.
So, Jake, recap what happened today.
You recap.
Recap?
Recap. We need a recap.
Left here at 9:30 because of somebody. Went to LA.
Wasn't
100 mile
on
drive.
time. Hey.
Got started. About 2 hours. Nice going. 2 hour drive. Yeah. Got there at like 11. Got the engine out by like 1.
The engine was completely still in the car. We weren't expecting that when we
I thought it was
pulled
gonna
up.
be out. No, so I pulled the engine in 2.5 hours.
No,
Hour and a
not
half?
an hour and
Oh
like
my
20
God,
minutes,
that's-
yeah.
Got all of this, $400. Don't know the condition of it, and we're putting a turbo on it. 300 horsepower. That's what I'm aiming for.
It's gonna be fun.
I know I have a few people who are going to be very excited about this. Like, remember that Euro guy? Euro Rehab?
Yeah.
Because he has a Vr6 Jetta.
Well, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna be hyped for this because literally everyone when we first got the car was screaming VR6 and
Right, and now we're doing it.
yep. So
Y'all can calm the fuck down. I'm gonna take all the ignition stuff off.
But,
Did you have a work rack?
all of this,
Yeah,
all
they're
of
pretty
this, pretty much got everything from the front end, aside
Yeah.
from the body panels. So,
Yeah, really.
what a steal.
Then the front cross member.
Yeah. But we'll catch you guys in the next video. Plenty more updates on this coming, so stay tuned.
You should have